Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine. Today we will learn mathematics, that is lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Last time we have learned complementary angles and supplementary angles. Also we have learned exterior points, points in the interior, points in the exterior, and points in the arms of the angles. So today we will learn the polygons, name of the polygons. We know the angles. This is triangle. We know A, B, C is the triangles, and here A, B and C are the interior angles of a polygon. That is, interior angles of a triangle is triangle A, angle B, angle C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. That is, we have also read as measurement of ABC plus measurement of BAC plus measurement of ACB is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. Okay, 180 degree. Then today we will learn the polygons. See, here I have drawn some polygons. Number of sides, name of polygons, polygon, number of triangles, and sum of interior angles. So first is name of polygons, triangles, that is number of sides are there, 3 sides. I have drawn this triangle. See, there are 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. And number of triangles, this one is triangle. This figure name as triangles because that have 3 angles, and because of this polygon is a triangle. This number of triangle is 1. Sum of interior angles, we know the sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. That is 180 degree into 1. I will write here 180 degree into 1, that is 180. The next one, quadrilateral, that have 4 sides. And if you draw here midline, then they made 2 triangles. That is, number of triangles are 2 and sum of interior angles is equal to 180 into 2. I will write 180 degree into 2, that is 360. Okay. The next one, next polygon is quadrilateral, then after pentagon, that have 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I draw these points. They made 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Then addition, then sum of interiors angle is equal to 180 degree into 3 is equal to 540. Okay. Next polygon, that is hexagon, that have 6 sides and made 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Number of triangles are 4 and sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree into 4, that is equal to 84 are 72, that is 72 and 0, that 720. Next one, that is octagon, that have 8 sides. They made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They made 6 triangles, that is 180 degree into 6 is equal to 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are and 6 4, that is 1080. Then heptagon that have 7 sides, and they made 1 2 3 4 5 triangles, and sum of interior angles is equal to 180 into 5, that is 900. Okay, see, when we observe this polygon, when we observe polygon, we have conclude that the sides and the number of triangles, there is one suggestion I will give. If in figure there are n sides, number of triangles will be n minus 2. That means if we have to calculate interior angle, sum of interior angles is equal to 180 into n minus 2 is equal to sum of interior angles. Okay. The next one, I have to say that the sum of the measures of the interior of angles of a polygon is 180 degree into n minus 2. The next one, here I have drawn this triangle ABC, and here we show that ACD, that is exterior angle, this ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC, and here ACD and ACB are angles in a linear pair. There are a linear pair, म्हणजे रेषीय जोडीतील कोण आपण म्हणतो ACD and ACB हे रेषीय जोडीतील कोण आहेत. O आणि बघा PAB and ABCBQ are also the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Okay, here the next one, I have drawn this triangle PQR and I extend this. Listen, on extending three sides, one side, three sides, there we got exterior angles, and that have the every triangle has 6 exterior angle. Here I shown PQR and I extend all these sides. They made these exterior angles AB, CD and EF. Listen, in triangle there are 6 exterior angles, and that have shown triangle PQR, A, B, C, D, E and F are exterior angle of triangle PQR. Okay, now I will explain the property of an exterior angle. See this figure PQR. When I extend this QR, then PRS is the exterior angle of PQR. Here PQR, I have written measurement of angle P plus measurement of Q plus measurement of angle R is equal to 180 degree. Then I will write here measurement of PRS and measurement of PRQ are. See here, PRS and PRQ. These two angles are linear angles. लिनियर पेअर, बरोबर. रेषीय जोडीतील कोण आहेत, मग यांची बेरीज किती येणार आहे? 180 degree. So here that I will write here, that is measurement of P plus measurement of angle Q, measurement of angle R is equal to measurement of R plus measurement of PRQ. Here that R is common one, that is PRS, measurement of PRS, that is exterior angle of measurement of exterior angle is equal to measurement of P and measurement of angle Q. Here I have shown that here these two angles, that is exterior, here PRS is exterior angle of PQR, बरोबर. बघा PRS आणि PRQ हे रेषीय जोडीतील कोण आहेत, परंतु यांची बेरीज 180 आणि त्रिकोणाच्या 3 कोणांची बेरीज 180 आहेत. परंतु बाह्य कोण जो आहे PRS याची बेरीज या P आणि Q या दोन कोणांच्या बेरजेबरोबर असते. आणि तेच मी इथे लिहिलेलं आहे, मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल PRS, दॅट इज एक्सटेरियर अँगल, मेजरमेंट ऑफ एक्सटेरियर अँगल इज इक्वल टू measurement of P and measurement of Q, that is here this. जर आपण दूरस्थ अंतरकोन म्हणतो, दूरस्थ अंतरकोनांची बेरीज ही बाह्य कोनाच्या मापाबरोबर असते. ओके, then we have to solve practice set 20. Okay, your homework is practice set 20 we have to solve. Listen, I will explain for one time. Also I will give revision. Here see this polygon, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon and a figure with n sides. From this polygon we should include that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of polygon is 180 into n minus 2. That is the sum of the measures of the interior angles. The next one, that is here triangle ABC, and this ABC, in ABC triangles, the ACD is the exterior angle of ABC. Like this, ACD exterior angle, then after PAB and CBQ is also exterior angle of triangle ABC. Next one, here I have drawn triangle, and when I extend all the sides, they make the exterior angles that are, I have shown AB, CD and EF. Observe this triangle PQR. In this triangle PQR, there are 6 exterior angles, and keep it in mind, in triangle, every triangle there are 6 exterior angles. Okay, the next one I will They show the property of an exterior angle. Observe this figure PQR. When I extend this QR side, they make PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. बघा या ठिकाणी PQR मध्ये मी QR बाजू वाढवली. या वाढवल्यानंतर PRS हा बाह्यकोन तयार झालेला आहे. हा PRS हा बाह्यकोन त्रिकोण PQRचा आहे. पण आपण तुम्ही कोन मापकाने मोजून बघा. if you have protractor, then measure with protractor, with the help of protractor. Then PRS, measure of PRS is equal to measurement of angle P and angle Q that have the exterior angle of measurement of angle is equal to the interior angles. म्हणजे दूरस्थ अंतरकोनांची बेरीज ही बाह्यकोनाच्या बेरजेबरोबर बाह्यकोनाच्या मापाबरोबर असते. दॅट इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ PRS इज इक्वल टू measurement of angle P plus measurement of angle Q. Okay, I think you have understand this. Thank you. We have to solve practice set 20. Then you will see tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.